Hello friends, today we're going to talk about step 2. Woo!
These Rubik's Cube.
Yes, and
it's almost my birthday.
Kind of almost. So step 2 is called matching middles. And if you're watching this video, that means you already completed step 1, which was to make the white plus sign. So I have my white plus sign right here. Angelina has her white plus sign right there. And we're going to show you what to do with your white plus signs next. Now I'm going to get rid of these 2 extra pieces. It doesn't really matter if you already have some corners there, but I'm just going to get them out of the way just so you can see nice and clearly that I have a white plus sign. All right, so now with your white plus sign, your next goal is to get 2 matching middles. And what I mean by 2 matching middles is that if you look at your cube and you look at these center pieces, this is the centerpiece for the red face. I want the centerpiece for the red to have another red on top. And then I would want the centerpiece for my blue piece, for my blue center, to have a blue piece on top. I would want my centerpiece for the orange face to have an orange piece on top, connecting to that white plus sign. And for my green side, I would want my centerpiece to have a green piece on top, just like it does right now.
See, just like I have that, and I have this.
Yeah, so right now, Angelina has 2 matching middles, which is great. Okay, so she already has 2 matching middles. She doesn't need to turn her cube right now. So you can see that she has a matching blue. So the blue centerpiece matches with the piece above it and it connects to that white plus sign. And over here, she has a matching red center with a piece above it and it connects to that white plus sign. So she is on her way to completing the algorithm for step 2.
Yes.
Hold on to yours, Angelina. All right, for mine, I'm gonna take a look at my cube. I can see that right now I have just 1 matching middle. But in order to do the step 2 algorithm, you need to have at least 2 matching middles. So right now, I checked all 4 sides or all 4 faces. And from these 4 colored faces, my warm and my cool colors, I only had 1, so I need to look for some more. And to look for some more, I can just take the head of the cube and turn it 1 time, either to the right or to the left, but make sure you remember which way you were turning it. So I'm gonna turn it to the left. All right, I turn my cube to the left, and now I'm gonna check my 4 faces, my 2 warm and my 2 cool faces, and see if I have any matching middles. Let's see, does this match, Angelina? No, that's green and blue, that does not match. Does this match? No. Does this match? No. Does this match? No, none of those match. So I, again, need to take my head and turn it to the left. Let's check. Does this match? No. Does this match? No. Does this match? Yes, I have 1 match. My red matches. And then, does this match? No. That doesn't match either. I have to turn the head again. Hey! Does this match?
Oh, that was so funny.
Yeah. Does that match?
Yeah.
Yes. Does this match?
Yeah.
Yeah. Does this match?
No.
No. Does this match?
No.
No. But that's okay. I want to have at least 2 matches, and now I have 2 matches. If you get 3 matches, that means your cube's broken. That means maybe somebody threw your cube on the ground and took it apart. So if you have 3 matches, then something's wrong with your cube. But if you have 2 matches, that's excellent. You're ready to do the algorithm. And if you have 4 matches, you can just skip the algorithm because that's the goal of step 2, to have 4 matching middles. All right, so the algorithm for step 2 works like this. I have my whiteboard here, so I'm gonna show you with a little diagram. So there's 9 turns altogether. The first turn is to move the left side of the cube down.
Down, across,
Good.
up, across.
Oh, yeah. Then you're going to take the head of your cube, that top part, and you're going to make that turn to the left. So just like Angelina said, we're going to go down, across. Next, you'll notice it kind of forms a pattern. Yeah, I'm going to make this left side of the cube go up, And then
across.
the head goes across to the left. So I have down across, up across. Next, we have down.
Down.
And this one's a little bit different. We have across 2 times in a row.
Across.
So we go across, across. The head
across.
moves to the left 2 times, okay? So that's down, across, across. Now, my last 2 turns, checking our pattern, first we went down, then we went up. First, then we went down, now we go up. Our final turn has the left side going up, and then our last turn is to the left. Again, the head is moving to the left. Now you'll notice that I made this last arrow in a different color. I made this last arrow in red. And the reason why it's in red is because sometimes you do need to do all 9 steps, and sometimes you'll only need to do 8 steps, adjust your cube, and then do all 9 steps. So I'm going to take a look at my cube. So because my cube had my 2 matching middles adjacent, that means they're next to each other, okay? One is here, one is there. It's kind of like a corner. So if I hold in my hand, I can see this part and this part. Those 2 were adjacent to each other. So I can even see them when I look at it. Yeah, the blue side and the orange side are adjacent. I can see them both next to each other. Sometimes you're going to have matching middles where the matches are on the front and on the back, where they're opposite from each other. So maybe the warm colors are matching or the cool colors are matching. That's opposite matching middles. When you have adjacent matching, meaning one warm color and one cool color, like right here, then you do all 9 steps. When you have opposite matching middles, then you do steps 1 through 8, adjust your cube, and then do it again with all 9 steps. So let's practice doing our steps with our cube. All right, so when you have your adjacent sides, you're going to take one of the sides that matches, and you're going to make it face your chest. So mine is facing my chest. I have the orange ones facing my chest. The other side that matches is going to go to your left. So I have this blue side, the blue face is facing to the left. And I need to remember, wait a minute, I have the orange side facing me. So if you end up later and you see the green face in the middle, you accidentally turned your cube. Make sure that orange face is pointing to your chest the whole time. All right, we're gonna try that algorithm. Ready?
Yeah.
All right, moving to the left side. Down.
Down.
Across.
Across which way? This
to
way?
the left. Then up.
Up.
Across.
Across.
Down.
Down.
Across 2 times. So across, across, and then up,
Up.
across.
Across.
And now let's take a look. How many matching middles do we have? All right, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and I still have my white plus sign on top.
1, 2, 3, 4, and I still have my white plus sign.
Yes, that means we did it right. Woo!
Yes!
We did it right.
So now, guys, you know.
Now, I'm going to show you one other thing, friends. I'm going to do something just so you can see what the other situation will look like. So I'm going to flip these around, and I'm going to put opposite matches, just so you can see what I meant about opposite sides. So right now, my warm colors match. So my red matches, this does not match, and my orange matches, and this does not match. Okay, so right now I have matching middles for my opposite sides, my warm colors. I'm going to choose one. I'll choose orange again. I'm going to have orange face my chest. That's the front. Then my opposite side is going to face away from me. I'm going to complete steps 1 through 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 turns of the step 2 algorithm, but I will not complete step 9. Angelina, will you hold this for me? Down, across, up, across, down, across, across, up. No final turn. I now, if I turn it to the left, have 1, 2 matching middles. So now I'm going to do it again, but this time I'm going to do all 9 steps. Down, across, up, across, down, across, across, up, across. And dun, 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 dun. We have matching middles. All right, friends, it's your turn to try it. We want you to start all the way back at the beginning, start from step 1, and solve both step 1.
It's okay if you do the wrong thing.
Yeah, but we want you to solve step 1 and step 2 together at least 10 times. If you're having trouble with it, make a video of it and post it, and we'll give you some feedback. And some of your friends might too. All right, friends. See you later. Happy cubing.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.